Investing in real estate can be a lucrative venture, and Fidelity offers various tools and resources to help you get started. The first step is to understand your investment goals and financial situation. Consider how much you can afford to invest and what type of real estate you are interested in. This could include residential properties, commercial properties, or real estate investment trusts. It's important to define your objectives clearly so you can choose the right path. Next, familiarize yourself with the different options available for investing in real estate through Fidelity. You can purchase shares in real estate investment trusts, which allow you to invest in a portfolio of real estate assets without having to buy physical properties. Additionally, Fidelity provides access to mutual funds and exchange-traded funds that focus on real estate sectors. These investment vehicles can offer diversification and reduce some risks associated with direct real estate investment. Once you have selected your investments, it is essential to conduct thorough research. Look into market trends, property values, and the overall economic conditions that can affect real estate prices. Utilize Fidelity's research tools and resources to gather data and analyze potential investments. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions and optimize your investment strategy. Finally, monitor your investments regularly and stay updated on market conditions. Real estate can be influenced by many factors, including interest rates, supply and demand dynamics, and economic shifts. By keeping a close eye on your investments and adjusting your strategy as needed, you can enhance your chances of success in the real estate market. With the right approach and tools provided by Fidelity, you can build a solid real estate investment portfolio.